Shift our attention now for the moment. In line with the Prime Minister's Garib Kalyan mission, India has made giant steps towards eradicating poverty. The World Bank has released a report that states that Bharat's extreme poverty rate has come down from 27.1% in 2011-12 to just 5.3% in 2022-23. Now, statistics have revealed that approximately 17.1 crore people have been uplifted from the extreme poor category in the space of 11 years. Initiatives like the PM Awas Yojana, the Jan Dhan Yojana, Ujjwala Yojana are being credited for the massive improvement in the extreme poverty scale. UP, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar and West Bengal contributed to 33% of the overall decline in the index. These states alone made up 65% of India's extreme poor back in 2011 and 2012. So let's break it down for you and get you the data and tell you the key findings that have been found. This is according to the World Bank data. The extreme poverty in India is down to 5.3% in 2022-23. In fact, 171 million people are now out of the extreme poverty zone in the span of 11 years. Another finding that is critical is that the rural extreme poverty is down to 2.8% from the 18.4% that it was previously. And the urban extreme poverty is also down to 1.1% from 10.7%. This is all according to the World Bank.
In case of economy, this is a very good news. As all of us are aware, India has already become the fourth largest economy in the world, and within a span of 2 to 3 years, we expect India to become the third largest. This is one part of the story, but these kind of numbers give us confidence to say that this pattern of growth is quite broad-based, and the size of the national cake is increasing, but the slices of the national cake are also being more evenly and equitably distributed.
All these results are from the World Bank, and World Bank is not because of pressure of anyone. So our extreme poverty got reduced from 27% to 5%. Why it had happened? Because Modinomics is giving the answers to this. The people who used to mock of the Modi nomics now getting the answers from the World Bank. What they have to say, they have to see the results. They should comment, and if something good is happening for the country, they should appreciate. But they are not going to do that. I'm aware of this fact.
Right. My colleague Sabyasachi continues to stay live with us. Sabyasachi, a few more steps to go, but this is great progress that has been witnessed in 11 years, and there are multiple government schemes that have been credited for it.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, under the visionary government of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, this has become a reality, and the slogan that was given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that Garibi Hatao, is becoming a reality with the rate coming down to 5%. Now, time and again, we had seen that the opposition targeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP government, stating that Garibi Hatao was the biggest jumla by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP government, and continuously these allegations were raised by the opposition. But clearly, because of various schemes under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, like the Garib Yojana or several other schemes which has benefited the poor. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi time and again emphasized that Garibi is the biggest jati in the country, whether in Uttar Pradesh or in various states that he has gone for rally, he has pitched this particular point. Now, that is the reason why the rates has come down to 5% from 27%, and this shows the priority of the Modi government, and they clearly have been working for Garibi Hatao and making it a reality.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with those details, Sabyasachi. This is an issue that is likely to be brought up by the government, of course. Will the opposition accept it? What is the reaction going to be? Will be interesting to see. Thank you for joining us with those details. With that, it's time for us to slip into a short break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with lots more on the other side.